Welcome to Slide Bazaar's PowerPoint for Pros, a series focused on helping you become better at PowerPoint. There's nothing more frustrating than working on a presentation only to have your computer crash. If you've ever been in that situation, here's what you can do. In this video, you will learn how to recover unsaved files in PowerPoint. Before we begin, if you've ever wanted to improve your PowerPoint workflow and create better presentations faster, check out Slide Bazaar's free PowerPoint add-in. Simply install the add-in to get themes, templates, and other resources and tools right inside PowerPoint itself. Check it out using the links in the description. Alright, now onto the video. PowerPoint actually has a hidden folder where it stashes unsaved files. It's called the AutoRecover folder. But here's the catch. AutoRecover needs to be turned on for this to work. It should be on by default, but if it isn't, here's how you can switch it on. To turn AutoRecover on, head over to File, then Options. Navigate to Save. Under Save Presentations, make sure Auto Save Files stored in the cloud by default is checked. Then, enable Save AutoRecover Information Every and choose a time interval that works for you. Finally, select the Keep Last AutoRecovered version if I close without saving. This is like an insurance policy for your presentations. Now, to recover your unsaved presentation, go to File and click Open. Down at the bottom, you'll see a button called Recover Unsaved Presentations. This opens a folder with all your unsaved presentations. Find the one you need and click Open. You can even sort by date modified to find your most recent work. There's another way to access this folder. Go to File, Info, Manage Presentation, Recover Unsaved Presentations. If the AutoRecover route fails, there's still hope. Your computer might have stashed a temporary copy of your presentation. To find it, we need to dig into the temporary files folder. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run prompt. Then type %temp% and hit OK. This folder holds temporary files and your presentation might be hiding there. Search for common PowerPoint file extensions like .pptx, .ppt, and .tmp. You can also look for your presentations in the recycle bin of Windows or trash on Mac. Open it up and search for those familiar file extensions. If you find a missing file, simply right-click and restore. Sometimes you don't need to recover an unsaved file, but a specific file version of PowerPoint. To recover a file version, go to File, Info, Version History. This will display the versions available for the file for recovery in PowerPoint. Well, I hope this video has been helpful and you're able to recover your unsaved files in PowerPoint. Be sure to check out our free PowerPoint add-in. The links are in the description. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos to become a PowerPoint Pro today.